Hey there, let me introduce you to a whole new world of adventure with folding bikes. We're talking about big adventures, all packed into a small package. Today I'm excited to share with you 5 amazing products that'll change the way you think about biking. First up is the 𝐛𝐢𝐤𝐞. This bike is all about making your daily commute or weekend ride super convenient and, honestly, way more fun. Next, we've got the 𝐛𝐢𝐤𝐞 adult folding bike. It's designed for effortless portability, so you can take it just about anywhere without breaking a sweat. And then, there's the 𝐛𝐢𝐤𝐞 folding bike, 20-inch. This one is perfect for folks who need versatility on the go, whether you're heading to work or just out exploring the city. The 𝐛𝐢𝐤𝐞 D8 24-inch frost aluminum folding bike bicycle really stands out for its smooth ride and, that sleek design. The 𝐛𝐢𝐤𝐞 D8 24-inch frost aluminum folding bike bicycle is honestly a great choice if you want both style and convenience. So, why pick a folding bike? Well, the 𝐛𝐢𝐤𝐞 D8 takes its features and, actually turns them into real advantages for your everyday life. If you're interested, just go ahead and click the link right below this video to get yours from the official site. And, before you go, don't forget to click on the video and subscribe to the channel. By the way, this video should last about 3.5 minutes and of course it's all in English.